Hi everyone, this is Blooket. This is a new technology to me. I've heard my students in the past talk about it, but I've never actually used it in my classroom. So I decided to check it out and learn more about it. After looking at it more, it can be used for reading and math games or even just fun brain break games. This video would be made for teachers wanting to incorporate Blooket into their classroom and even for students to know how to use this website. And to play the games that's associated with it. The two ISTE standards are Empowering Learning 3.3a, empower educators to exercise professional agency, build teacher leadership skills, and pursue personalized professional learning. So teachers would be learning more how to incorporate this into their classroom, and it is educational for students. And Empowering Learning 3.3c, inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration that allows the time and space to explore and experiment with digital tools. So after watching this, the teachers could go in and make an account and then play with their students. So I've already created an account because I did that this morning. I'm going to click login. My login's already saved. Let's go. So you can either create a set, so create your own questions and answers, but I find the discovery sets a lot easier because they're already done for you. So here are some examples that they pull up. These are just like fun brain break ones. Emoji riddles, name that movie, landmarks, telling time. Those we get into more educational ones. So I'm going to look up a math one. So I'm going to go multiplication facts. So this is one way you could use it. There are so many options with lots of questions. I'm just going to click on this one right here. If you scroll down, it tells you the questions and the answers, the time limit. I'm going to click host, because if you had a full class, you would click host. Select a game mode. This is the fun part where it makes it different than like quizzes and Kahoot, because once you answer a question, the kids get to play a game. So you have all these other options of the game students could play after they answer a question. I'm going to click on Fishing Frenzy, host a game, and it tells you time limit. You can show instructions, allow late joining, use random names, student accounts. Students don't need an account to play. Wait, I'm going to click on, it has to have a certain, after 7 minutes it's going to end. Now, this is what you would display on the board. Students would go to, I'm going to turn the sound off, this website right here, blooket.com/play, and they'd enter this game code right here. Or they could copy a link if they had it that way. You would enter your name. Here's the lobby. I'm going to click on a fish. And then as a teacher, once you had your class up here, you'd click start. And these are the instructions that you would have everyone watch, or you could skip it if they've already played this game before. So good luck. Again, this is what it would look like at the top in front of everyone. I'm going to cast my line. I hooked it. I'm going to click anywhere. I'm going to answer the question. So that's 25. It's correct. Click anywhere to go next. Oh, look, I caught something that was only 10 pounds. Claim. I'm going to do it. And if you go back to the home screen, like you're going to see up on the board the amount of pounds that the other classmates are getting. Then I'm going to go back up here, keep playing. I'm going to get this one wrong so we can see what happens. Fish lost. I just don't get a fish. So then as a teacher, once everyone has ended or has played or the time has ended or you just need to cut it short, you could end it. And you could go see the final standings. So this would be a fun way to incorporate maybe math facts into your game or into your classroom. You could view a report, you could see I only answered 2 questions for this, so 50% right. Leaderboard. If I go back to Blooket, discover sets, I could look up some reading games, some long O sounds you want to practice, and they have all these other things. So there's so many different like quizzes, but in a game format that you could play with. So I think this will be a fun way to incorporate practice into reading and math.